Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix WASD keys are swapped with arrow keys. Type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Press arrow keys. Hold down the function key, usually on the right side of the space bar, and press W while you are holding it. Press arrow keys. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.